How's it going? This is your boy Kazi from cleverprogrammer.com. I really hope that you guys are excited because we're going to be doing a lot of brainstorming and coming up with ideas together today and learning some React.js. Today, I have the privilege to be here with...
What's up, everybody? This is David from Clever Programmer, and I had some echo going on, but I'm super excited to get on this journey. So let's go.
Let's go. Is your echo good now?
Yep. Yeah.
Awesome. So super sick. I'm excited to be doing these again with you guys, and we're gonna be doing a lot more of these and get back in the flow. But what I want to talk to you guys about is a few things. So a few important things. So one, let me actually go like this, right? So a few important things. One is we want to come up with some amazing ideas to actually build React projects on and what you guys are trying to learn, because there's a lot of things that we want to teach, but we want to make sure these are things that you want to learn. So for example, we're thinking about technologies like Next.js. Do you want to see projects with Next? Do you want to see projects with Gatsby? Do you want to see us talk about server-side or client-side rendering? Do you want to see us talk more about Firebase and authentication? There are a lot of ways we can go, but it's important that we get your feedback on it. What do you think about that, David?
Yes, 100%. I think we are 100% about for you guys, and we work for you. So we would really appreciate whatever feedback you guys have, and just deliver on the content that you think would be valuable for you.
Yeah.
So whatever is up, let's get it.
Yeah. So one thing I want to do is I actually want to go on to YouTube and see also, like, be able to connect with the live stream and see what's going on, because I forgot to open that up. Normally I open that up right away. So we'll have that up and running just so we can see everybody that's in here. Welcome everybody. So freaking nice to have you guys here, and it's really nice to be able to do this again. Yo, what's up, Akash? Yo, Lucas, what's going on? Abhishek says server-side rendering. Abhishek says APIs. Okay. Server-side rendering. Good morning. All right. It seems like a lot of people are interested.
We got Node. Okay.
Nice.
Yeah. Go on. Sorry.
Yeah, I was just going to say that it seems like a lot of people are actually interested in learning about server side.
Yes. Yeah. I saw a few Node.js's, and I also saw React with TypeScript. So that's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me see.
All right.
When I go on this, yep, my screen is looking beautiful. Okay, so
maybe some laps.
So
okay.
What we're going to do is you guys are going to code along with us, or just watch us code and make some stuff. And then as we do that, keep typing your ideas in here. And if you could actually type in as a YouTube comment, that would be really phenomenal, because then the top voted comments, we can just easily see what you guys are looking for. Or David, we can make like a little form and they can submit their... What's
I think
better?
Even easier is to put our Instagram handle on the screen and then just have people DM us. How about that?
That becomes like, then we have to go through all of them. I want it in a way where we can easily see, you know what I mean? Like what ideas they like the best. We have some people saying Node and APIs. Yeah. We have more Node. JWT and AWS Lambda. Nice.
Okay.
Let's
we got a ton of Django projects. Okay.
Or we have one person who's like ton of Django projects. So let's just while we sit here and chat, let's build something and work on this together with them, so like people can learn some skills as well, and just have fun. So one of the things I see a lot that happen in interviews, and even a lot of the interviews I'm conducting, is I'm checking for your skills, obviously with like algorithms. I'm also checking your skills and how you deal with APIs. APIs is like one of the common things interviewers are going to check you on, and it's also one of the most important parts of your job. So
yes, 100%.
It's probably good that you should know about them and are comfortable with them.
Yeah.
So
yeah, like APIs are so powerful. Like you don't have to code up all those kind of stuff. You just like API and that's it. Works.
right. So let's create a React app, and let's create a React app here. So I'm going to remove this file because React app will complain if you have a file. Let's try it now. Okay, cool. So it should be working. And then let's open up Chrome, bring that.
Also, I just made a super quick form so that you guys can actually submit. So I will drop it in the chat right now.
Mm-hmm.
So bang. Just guys, go ahead, check out that link. I'll drop it like 2 or 3 times in there so you guys can actually see it, and just drop whatever technology or something you guys are interested in, and then we can like see it. Okay?
Oh, that's smart. That's really, really smart. Awesome. Let me actually click on that so we can show it to people. Yeah, that's a really good way. Yeah, exactly. That's so simple. I love it. So guys, yeah, just go here to this form. The URL is right there. I mean, hopefully it's in the YouTube description or in the comments. Add it to the YouTube description if you could, please.
Okay.
And just drop in like, what are you interested in, right? So it's like Next.js. Is it TypeScript? Is it, you want to see an Airbnb clone, WhatsApp clone, what Discord clone? A lot of them we've already done. Tesla clone. So it's not just clones, but it's also like, what types of projects do you want to see? What type of tech stack do you want to see? Do you want to see payment authentication in there? Do you want to see Stripe? Do you want to see, different types of backends? Like MongoDB versus what else? Like some people, Firebase.
Like just a comparison of all the databases.
Right. Awesome. So that's right there for you guys. Check it out whenever you want. David, I was going to tell you actually, one thing that's super cool that I found is called JSON placeholder.type code. Do you know about this?
Not really.
So what's super cool about this website is you can go and get fake APIs that you can like request right away.
Bang.
Yeah.
That's good.
So for teaching people, this is really, really helpful. So for example, if we want people to get more comfortable with APIs and how they work, let's say I want to get this post. I want to get all of the posts, right? So let's say that I'm here on this and it has a bunch of posts. It seems like it has 100 posts on here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if I want to be able to get all of these 100 posts, let's go inside of our app.js, and what we'll do is I'll do yarn start. So we'll whip this app up real quick. And I want you guys to get a lot of practice with these things, because the more practice you get, the better you're going to become at it.
Exactly. It's all about the reps.
Cool. So we got this. And if I make it smaller, David, is it still easy for you to be able to see my screen?
I'll quickly check.
Can you guys still read my code easily?
Yeah, I think it's good.
Okay, awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and, when I'm reading data from an API request, there's simple ways to do it. And one of the ways that's really easy to do is just write fetch and then call your whatever you have. So let me get my URL, this one right there. Yeah, so that's the first thing I want to do. And then I can just do .then and chain it with things. Okay.
Exactly.
So here, let's see. I think that's one of the things they also. Right?
That's the thing that I always like. I have a code where I have all these fetch stuff.
Yeah.
And I always just copy paste that thing.
Okay.
I can't remember this.
Let me go like this, inspect, and let's see what we get back. So right now we're getting back.
You might want to move us from the corner of the screen because it literally covers.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah.
Boom.
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
And then just zoom in a bit.
Onto my code or what? Oh, in the console.
On the console, yeah.
Cool. Boom. That's lit. All right.
Dang.
So what did we get back here? We got some promise state from this. But if I actually want to get data from it in real time,
I think you need to return it.
I need to return it. But also one thing I want to show here for everybody here is because it's a promise, you don't want to call it after you get the data back from it, because you're not getting the data back. You get the promise back and then you print it out. So where you actually want to add your console log statement is right here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And we're going to remove the initial console log statement because we don't need that anymore. So here's our fetch request, and let's see what we get back. What is it giving me back? Cool. So we have a lot of our results in here. Like every single thing that we wanted, we're getting that back, right? You see that 0, we got post 1, we got post 2. So all of the posts that we actually need, we're able to get back. And another thing, if you guys are having trouble coming up with this place can also be a good place for you to go to just get that initial thing. So boom, right? Like type that, right? So if you can't remember, you can go here and get that like initial request. So I'm just gonna do post still because I don't want to do the to-dos, and let's see what it gets us back. Let's hit refresh. Boom. So I got an array with 100 items, and what are those items?
All those, I think, users? Yeah.
Yep. We have user, and then we have a post from each person. So there's 100 posts.
Bang.
Yeah. And
that's sick.
How many users do we have actually? If you actually look, we have...
I only see 1s and 2s.
So user ID, if you see user IDs, they actually go from 1 to 10. So there are 100. Basically, what this is telling us, there's 100 posts made by 10 users. You see what I'm saying, David?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, I need to crank up the resolution.
Resolution
now
on my screen? Yeah. Do you want me to zoom?
No. I was watching it on YouTube, and I was just at 480p. But now it's good. Okay, now I see everything. Dope.
Okay. Try to watch it from Ecamm instead of Zoom because instead of YouTube, because you're not going to see it in real time.
Oh, that's right.
You'll be like 40 seconds behind everything. All right, so I want to ask everybody who's here live, who feels comfortable being able to fetch data from an API? If you don't feel comfortable, you should practice it, okay? I highly recommend that. And somebody's saying something really smart. Abhishek says, Kazi, I think you should use useEffect because that's what's happening when the page first loads up. So good. So whenever you guys are doing these types of API requests, it's a good idea to use useEffect so it only fires off once. So David is writing the import statement for, is it useEffect?
That's correct.
Cool. Yeah. And then what we'll do is we'll make a useEffect, and I'm just going to close it here, and we'll give it a second argument of empty. Give it an empty dependency. And
but you need to rep yes.
Well, I thought it was like a one-line implicit return type of action going on, but all good. Cool.
That's why you should use ES7 snippets.
Boom. So there we go. Now it's looking good. We have it firing off. It only fires off once because of useEffect, and it's showing up. Okay. So we have all of the 100 posts. Now, if we wanted to, we could take the post and we could show it off on the screen. So where do you want to go from here, David? Do you want to take these posts and start showing them on the screen?
I think we could do that.
Yeah.
In some sort of a table way, or Or
I
we
just
could
want
make
I
it
just
look
want to show
nice.
it like almost like an interview. Okay, so imagine I'm interviewing you. So let's just do like a live interview between you and me. Okay.
Ouch.
So let's say that I want you to just show me the title of each post and just like throw it on the screen. I don't care about styling or anything. I just want you to like splat the title on the screen.
Okay, so what I will definitely do is I will create a use state over here on the top because I want to save it somewhere, obviously. So use state. First, I'll need to import it if I learn how to type. And now I will just say const, and how should I call it? Maybe data. Yeah, I'll call it data, and then I'll have a set data.
By the way, somebody wrote a pretty awesome comment that said,
whoa, hold on.
Somebody donated.
Got our first donation.
Yeah, so we got our first donation. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you so much.
Really appreciate it. And here's a really cool comment. So by Vocal, and Vocal says, I just started learning React 2 days ago. I'm a Laravel developer, and I went to a job interview and I was asked to write React code. I was stunned. Anyways, I decided to start learning React. Yes.
Let's go.
I'm so happy that you started learning React. Okay, great. That happens a lot, guys. People are going to ask you to see your skills. So many people are going to come to you in interviews and ask to see your skills and have you code from scratch. So really important.
Exactly.
You're able to do that, and yeah, jump on in. You're in the right place. So keep going, David. So you got your using hooks here.
Yes, I just declared this hook over here, and what I will do is I will add the set data over here. So I'll just make it a two-liner thing.
Yeah.
Like that. And what I will do, like after I console log that, I will set the data to and I will throw in JSON. So if I see the correct data happening in the console, I will have the correct data in the data hook.
Yeah. So as soon as we see this data, it seems like you're storing it in data right there.
That's correct. Exactly. Cool. That's correct.
Got it. Okay.
And next up, what I will do is I'll actually get rid of, I'll make a line after this link in the Learn React one, and I will just add a p tag. Hold on, no. Before I do that, I will, because I'm using JSX, I will start typing in JavaScript inside of these squiggly
why
braces.
don't you remove the entire React logo and everything? Do you want to do that or no? You could leave it if you want.
I actually want to keep the logo, but everything else can go.
Okay, cool. Yeah, the logo.
I like the logo.
Yeah, me too.
I like the way it looks. Yeah, and I'll just type in data.map, and can you please open up the console so I can see exactly what are the fields in there?
Okay, cool. You have access to my local host, but okay, got it.
Oh yeah.
All right, so these are the fields. This is what it looks like.
Okay, so because I say data.map, I will get back some sort of item, and I want to start working with that item. And because you asked only for the title, I will just add a p tag. Now the p tag comes, and I will just throw in the item dot title, I think. Let's try that out.
Oh shit.
Bang.
All right, nice. Well, let's give it up for him.
Am I hired?
Hold on. Hey, nice. Okay, so you're not hired. You're not gonna be hired yet. I still will have more questions for you as we keep going along today. And
let's get it.
But what I would say is, okay, nice job. So it seems like you're taking the titles of each post and
Exactly.
you're printing it out. Now, what I would like to see is something like this. Okay, so can I see all of these posts like so? So for example, I want to see it's a post 1 like that, and then post 2 and post 3 and so on. You see what I'm saying? So it should say all the way up to post 100 like that.
Okay. So because we have an ID in there, which actually indicates the number of the post, I will use that. And what I will do is inside of the P tag, I will actually, just for styling's sake, I will add a strong tag, and that will say post, and then I'll just throw in the item dot ID, I think, yes, and a colon, and yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Should be good.
Nice. I'm getting all of them. Give me the emoji. You know, I like my finger pointing emoji. Forget about that colon. It's too professional for us. So
Okay. What kind of emoji do you want? Rocket?
No. The finger pointing. The pointing the finger to the right. The one I had.
Okay.
Nice, rocket.
Point right.
Yeah,
Bam.
that's the one. Let's see it. Nice. Okay, clean.
There we go.
Awesome. So we have pretty much
all the titles going on.
Right. We have all the titles going on. So this is something that in interviews they'll commonly ask you to be able to do. Guys, you would be so surprised how many people fail at this. Like, you will be so surprised how many developers who are working with React apparently for a year and have been doing it for more and went to a boot camp and paid $15,000 can't do something like this. Like, they'll see this and that's like, they'll crumble under the pressure or whatever it is, but like, they won't be able to do something like this. Now, regardless of whether it's because you're scared or because you lack the skill to be able to do this, both of them are just as bad. So you're going to need to get used to it and get used to that skill of being able to do it under pressure.
Yamarlaga Gaming says, this is basic, isn't it? I mean, it pretty much is, but the reality is that we've interviewed so many people and literally people were failing at this.
Yes.
So.
Yeah. That's,
yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah. And just wanted to throw in an advice to anybody who actually feels like this could be challenging at this point. Like, you saw what I did. I was commenting on what I was doing, and that actually bought me a little bit of time to think over what I will be doing next. Mm-hmm. And that also gives the interviewer a view of what is going on inside of your head. And if you're going the wrong direction, they might help you. Because why not?
Yeah, that's pretty important what you just said, because if you don't talk out loud, it hurts you more than it helps you. Because
exactly,
I'm gonna be on your side as an interviewer. As long as I can hear your thought process, I will help you out and go along the way. Because if let's say that you know that you have to sum an array, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
And let's say that you don't remember what the function is called in JavaScript, because in Python, it's just the function is called sum, but in JavaScript, it's like math.sum. Yeah. So if you don't,
I don't know.
Yeah.
Are you asking?
No, I'm telling you, that's what it's called. In JavaScript, it's called math.sum. That's the function for summing an array. Like, right? You just do math.sum and you call it an array. Mm-hmm. You following me so far?
Yeah.
What I'm saying is, let's just say that like you forgot what the term for it was. Now, if you're quiet and you're not talking out loud, I have no idea what you're looking for. So as an interviewer, I can't really help you with anything. But if you were talking out loud and you're like, okay, so at this point I need to sum an array, and oh man, I can't remember the function to sum an array in JavaScript. If you say that out loud, now I might just actually tell you, oh yeah, the syntax for it is math.sum with JavaScript to do it.
Yeah.
So,
or they might just tell you like, bro, use Google. And that's something that you wouldn't think of during an interview, I guess.
Yeah, that's something.
Sometimes.
Let me see what we got. Yeah, buddy. Guys, this is going to be exciting because we're going to start doing a lot more lives. And another thing I wanted to tell you is we're also going to be doing a challenge for React.js this month. And this challenge is going to be really, really crazy. And in the upcoming days, we're going to be building some big projects too. So like, for example, if you guys had ever wanted to see the Amazon clone with Redux implemented, you're going to be able to see that. If you wanted to see Airbnb with Redux, you're going to be able to see that. So we're going to be working on some really epic projects along the upcoming days. And today we wanted to engage with you and start getting your feedback on like what type of content you're looking for and what you're interested in as well. And that's why we created a form where you guys can go and actually type in what it is that you are interested in looking for. So here's the form. All right, that's the URL. Go there, type in, and let us know what it is. What are the things that you're excited about? What type of technology you're excited about? The more of these we get, that's the type of stuff we're gonna make content on. So you want to see some banger ass content? Pop it in here. We're gonna make it because you know we deliver. All right.
Exactly. We already have 20 submissions, so that's amazing.
Wow.
Keep it going. Keep it going.
This is awesome. Jonathan says, just wanted to say, let me read it here so you guys can see my face. He says, boom, let's bring this here too. Just wanted to say, I found your channel. I'm almost done with build Slack clone video. I managed to follow along and customize that myself. Learned so much. Thank you for your efforts. Beautiful, Jonathan.
That's what's up.
Hey, that's awesome.
Let's go.
Hey, Amanat is here. Let's go. Yo. Let's go, Amanat. Hey. Marlega says, is Redux overkill for hobby projects? I would say yes. For
100%. But
hold on.
I would also say that. Oh, sorry.
Okay. Go.
Okay. So I would say if you're building just for the sake of building stuff and to have fun and to learn Redux, I would say it's an amazing stuff. And to just put it onto portfolio, and then you can show that, okay, I can work with Redux.
That's a really good point. So if you want to add it to your portfolio and you want to learn it so that you could do it for a company later, yes, absolutely learn it. But if you're doing it for a freelance project or a hobby project, and you're not doing it for a purpose of learning, you're using it for a purpose of building something,
that's not necessary at all.
I would highly recommend to not work and use Redux, because Dan Abramov, the creator of Redux, wrote 5 to 10 pieces of articles on like why you should not use Redux, when to use Redux, when to not use Redux. Read those. What you're going to find out is that it's really good for medium-sized to large-sized applications. The boilerplate for simple projects is not that helpful. Ben Awad, who's another YouTuber, he made a video called Why I No Longer Use Redux. And in that video, he actually talked about that instead of Redux and Redux Saga and Redux Forms, he changed his stack completely. What he switched to is Formik, Formik for forms. It's supposed to make your tears go away and all the frustration that comes around forms. And he switched from Redux to Unstated, which is a state management library, but it makes managing state so easy that you don't even see that you're managing state. It literally feels like you're just using hooks, and it allows you to manage a global state of your application. So maybe for your hobby projects, a good stack for you can be Formik and Unstated. This is a recommendation from Ben Awad. So,
wow, I didn't even know about these. It's amazing.
Yeah, so let's
the simpler your projects are, the easier you can go back to it later.
Hold on, let me take this thing and move it over real quick so I can show everybody. All right, so Formik, build forms in React without the tiers. So Formik is gonna make your forms really easy, and then you got all the code right here for the form, and super simple looking form. I mean, this is Probably the easiest form you'll ever see. And then, wait, what do they actually have? Do they have form validation?
By the time
Multi-steps.
Kazi is
Nice.
searching on the page, just quick question, drop it in the chat, please, if you guys are interested in building some sort of project with this, because I actually got hyped.
With Formik?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Formik is sick. All right, so this is really good. Now, the other thing is unstated. Okay, so let's go here. They have an actual website for unstated. Let's click here. All right, so here's unstated. State so simple it goes without saying. Okay.
It's so simple they didn't even build a website for it.
Yeah. So what they say is this, okay? Is this better than, is unstated better than Redux? By the way, David, clip
Yes?
this part out, what I'm about to say right now, because this could be a great video with this title. Okay.
Sounds good. Okay.
Is unstated better than Redux? It's smaller, 40 times smaller. It's faster. Componentize the problem performance. It's easier to learn. You already will have to know React hooks and context. Just use them, they rock. It's easier to integrate. Integrate one component at a time and easily integrate with every React library. It's easier to test. It's easier to type check. It's minimal. It's just React. This is how you install it, and you guys can see that the usage of it looks simple. And here you're making a container, which is kind of like a, sounds like a Redux store. And you got your initial state, and you're using hooks instead of using stores and reducers and middleware and utilities and all of that. So much, much, much simpler, at least in my opinion.
Dang. That's so cool.
Yeah. So if you want to use it for yourself, I think it's a really good idea.
100%. Like, definitely have Redux on your portfolio if you know it.
Yeah.
But like for hobby projects, forget about that.
Hey. Yeah, for sure. Let's see what people are saying.
Someone wants to build an operating system.
React hook forms for the win, Julio says. Let's see. React hook forms. Performant and extended, easy to validate. Oh shit. They're like 17,000 stars. That's dope. Take a look at Formik too and see if you still like these better. If you still like these better, then definitely go with them. Go with this.
That looks pretty dope too.
Yeah, they're fun. I like their front end that they did for this. They did a great job.
Yeah.
Oh shit, look at that.
Ooh.
Look at that. Touched fields will display here. Touched. Oh shit. If I touch mobile number, they'll show me.
Dang.
That's pretty cool. Hosted on Versal. And Versal is amazing for hosting. I'm like such a huge fan. Performance is an important aspect of user interface ability. You will have the ability to subscribe to individual input changes without re-rendering the entire form. Watching. Damn. For marketing, that's really, really good. Okay. This is a really good find. Thank you for that. I appreciate that. Bishal says, I use Formik. Yep, for form validation. Hey, let's go. Got some people in here who know what they're talking about.
That's what's up. Let's go.
Nice.
I'm a complete beginner, by the way. Still struggling. Don't worry. Like, literally join these sessions and just make a habit
Yes.
of yourself coding every single day. 2 hours. I know you have 2 hours. Like, screw watching movies and Netflix.
Yeah. Spend some time coding every single day. You'll become so good. You'll enjoy it. And yeah, I mean, those are two most important things. You Just get in the habit of it by doing it. Then you'll hopefully start enjoying it.
Exactly.
And
by the way, we have almost 30 submissions for the form. Guys, it is down below in the description. One simple question, nothing crazy. Whatever you want us to build for you. Okay. Drop it there.
Can you send me the form in chat, David, so I can see where it is?
Oh, yeah.
Is it in a base shared with us or no?
Not yet. I just made it up quickly myself.
Cool. Just send it to me.
Yeah, I'll add you to it. Bam. Invite by link.
The use of Java and React together. We'll not show probably Java and React together, but we might at some point show Python and React together.
Ooh, that would be sick.
Yeah, because I know a lot of people love the idea of that.
Yeah, just sent you the Airtable invitation on Skype.
Okay. Let's see.
So you can join. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Nice. We got
so many stuff.
Yep. So thank you guys. You guys are making your submissions. I'm loving that. Really, really appreciate those. So we got people saying TypeScript, Next.js APIs, blog with Mern, React Redux.
Ooh. Okay.
Data science with Python. Charts, nice. Web development. Okay. Beautiful. AWS Lambda.
PayPal API is a good one.
Yeah. Disney. Oh, Disney clone. Yo, we should make Disney clone with Next.js. That is hot, hot, hot. That is fire. Everyone.
I think we actually have it in some kind of planning. So it's kind of in the works.
Okay, cool. Yeah, because I was going to say that's dope. Robinhood clone, but done correctly would bang. Because we had a lot of technical difficulties on that one.
I mean, Robinhood has probably a good amount of difficulties. So we maybe should just go with Weeble.
All right, cool. Let's see. We got Django tutorials. I think they will do well too. Let's see. What else? TypeScript. Real-time APIs. Okay. How to make code editor. Headless e-commerce. Yeah, so I was actually looking into this too a lot, which is like Strappy and Sanity.io are great headless CMS platforms, and you can use that to create a React type of store. So yeah, I think this could be actually a good one, and then it's good projects to put on your resume as well. Machine learning using CSS. What the fuck?
I mean, we could actually go into Firebase machine learning. Because it has that.
Yeah. Yeah, we could definitely do that.
Making life easy. Okay.
Damn. People who
comparison price website.
Making life easy, speed reader. Okay, so like an extension or something like that. Next, just search kit, app base. Okay. Can you pimp my website? I like that. Let's see. I think that would be a cool series to do as well, like pimp people's sites. Oh shit, this is legit.
Dang.
And is hosted
this is
on
full-on e-commerce something.
And hosted on Versal. I like it.
Yeah.
Yo, what is this? This is a nice project. Gears of War, let's go. I have respect for this man now. This is dope, dude. Nice work on this. Who is this? Sammy, good job. Comment, leave a comment in YouTube.
Damn.
Guys, go to this form and drop your thing. The form is in the description now, right, David?
Yes, that is correct, but I'll just go ahead and drop it to
React Native clones. That would bang. Comparison price website.
Yeah. I'll just spam the chat with the Airtable link. So guys, just use that and just submit.
Login and registration authentication using
Yo,
Redux.
we got Sami in the chat.
Let's
go, bro.
Where is he? I don't see him. Oh, he is. I'm here. Hey, let's go. Yo, Sammy, nice job. That website is looking cool. Amazing. Awesome. So I think today, David, let's keep it short. It's already 6:30 p.m. here. I just wanted to come in and check in and have I want to get in a flow where we can do these lives and get a touch point with the whole community and all of you guys as much as we can throughout the week. I mean, the goal would be to get it down to daily. You know, would you guys like that, by the way? If we were to do something like this daily or as close to daily as possible, let us know. Drop it in the comments.
Oh, yeah, like just some having fun sessions.
Yeah.
Just coding up some stuff.
Yeah, and then, I mean, yeah, there are going to be a lot of times we're going to be a lot more intense where we're going to be coding up full-on projects from scratch. So we already have some projects in the pipelines, like we have a crazy Airbnb project that I was already showing. So we're gonna build that, and then also build Amazon from the ground up, but using Redux.
Yeah, everybody's dropping yes daily. Yes.
Did it with Search Kit. Okay.
Bang.
Like when you say Search Kit, you mean like, oh, you use this thing. Okay, cool. There's something called reactive something too. Look at that. It's called reactive search. Yeah, this one. So check this one out too, because this one is really good as well. But I mean, hold on. Search mate.
Bro, you're not sharing your screen, by the way.
Oh, my bad. So there's this, which you guys can check out, reactive search. And it's like point and click, and it gives you UI. From point and click, it gives you a full-on UI. But it's like fast as fuck UI. It's full React UI as well. So that's what I love about that one. And then this is the one that he recommended, Search Kit. So let's see. Out of the box components. Okay, cool. Oh, so it seems like you use an out of the box component for it. Dope.
Oh, okay.
Their GitHub is popping too. Nice. So yeah, they're both going to be really good. So you can try out either one. I like reactive search because I don't want to sit down and write Elasticsearch code. So by pointing and clicking and making, and it's super, super helpful.
Guys, Kazi is the laziest coder ever.
Yeah. And outside of that, for search, you guys should really look into using Algolia. This is fast as hell, and it's just so powerful.
Dang. AI powered.
Shit, Twitch is their customer, apparently.
Bang.
All right. Awesome. Well, with that said, thank you guys so much for jumping on. Thank you. Mohammed says, thank you so much, Clever Programmer Team. Because of your React.js videos, helped me, and I got a job finally as a full stack developer. Yo! Let's go. Where's my... Hold on. Where the hell are my air horns? That's not it. That's not it either. Hey, let's go. That's what I meant to do. There we are.
What was that horn?
I don't know, man.
It's like, you know, when the guy is going to nursery school on his three-wheeler and like, dee.
Yeah, I had some weird ones trying to come up. Thank you guys for mentoring. Boom. Amit got a job as a React.js developer. Yo, that's fantastic. That's so amazing to hear.
That's so cool.
Makes me super happy. Awesome. All right, so that's it. David, any last words from you?
I really enjoyed it. I'm super excited of what's coming up next. I think if we actually really do it, like real frequently, I think this is going to be amazing.
Me too. I'm excited. Awesome. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for coming. We appreciate you. This is your boy Kazi here today with
David.
And
what's going on?
We will see you
in the next video.
Peace.
Bye-bye.